This summer we traveled from Munich, Germany to Venice, Italy by train. Let me show you the train. I'm going to walk from the front to the back and give you a chance to have a look at what it looks like on board. As you can see, there is bike storage available on board the train. There's a bathroom pretty much on every car of the train. Just a simple toilet and sink. As you can see, there's lots of seating towards the front of the train. As you'll see later, it gets much more crowded. We did a fair bit of traveling by train this summer, and we found that most times there was far more seats available towards the front of the train. This car offers compartment seating. It holds 6 people and luggage can fit in there as well. The door closes to give you a little bit more privacy and to make it a little bit quieter. This train left Munich, Germany at 7:34 in the morning and arrived in Venice at 1:56 in the afternoon, so almost 2 o'clock. It was a 6-hour and 22-minute ride. As you can see, this is a pretty empty car as well. If you find yourself in a really crowded train car, make sure you take a little walk and see what else is available. You might find yourself in a car with hardly anybody in it. The first 2 cars of this train were unreserved seating. So our tickets did not have a seat number on them, so that's where we went to sit. And it turned out to be a really great place because there was hardly anybody there. You can store your luggage above your seat in both the regular seating and the compartment seating. More compartments, luggage space, seats, mirrors, big windows. Finally, we reached the dining car, where you can sit down and have a nice meal and watch the scenery go by. It's a really nice way to spend a little time on a train.